Hello viewers.
He's Mason.
And he's Cayman, and welcome back to another Pop unboxing.
Unboxings.
Pretty exciting one as well. I mean, we've been waiting for this. No clues as to what it could be. Here it is. We've had a parcel delivered. We've had many parcels delivered today, haven't we? It's been quite
it's been a weird one.
It's been a very strange one, but Yodel knocks on the door and here it is. So, Stanley's here to assist.
Yodel.
Oh, baby Yodel. Here we go.
Clean.
Clean as a whistle. Let's go. You can...
So this is probably one of the most anticipated pops of this year.
Very much so. Now, we don't regularly buy commons.
We don't.
But we had to with this one.
Well, I've bought pretty much everyone in the line for this particular show.
Except this one.
Except this one.
It's the child.
Ooh.
Baby Yoda. Obviously, it's not Baby Yoda. It really irritates me that people call it Baby Yoda. I mean, I know it's a Baby Yoda, but I've seen so many comments where people were like, so, hold on a second, how can it be Baby Yoda? That doesn't fit in the timeline. Well, obviously, it's not Baby Yoda, it's the child. But anyway, moving on. So, first impressions, he looks so cool. How cool is that? I mean, recently announced as well that they're doing a Target exclusive Flocked edition, aren't they?
Unofficial,
but there was a photo.
Yeah.
But even if there is, Jesus, I'm going to buy that. It looks so cool. But I mean, this one, there it is. How cool is that? Please.
I love it. I like the sideways box. Obviously, it's a bit weird. You don't have many sideways box, but you have a few, don't you?
I have quite a few. I've got the Cars collection, which I'm probably going to do another video on because it's quite a good sort of like budget collection to have. There's a couple of limited pieces. They're all in these sideways boxes, but no, I mean, obviously these need them for the child's ears, the package. But yeah, this is the way. There he is. How cool is that? I'm real pleased with that. And obviously, Cayman, you've got pretty much all of them now, haven't you?
Yeah, apart from one which I've pre-ordered off Pop in a Box.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the Flame
Trooper. It's in normal shops. I mean, I could have bought it about 20 billion times. We've seen it loads.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's still not come because I've ordered it with a couple of others that haven't come out yet. So I'm still waiting on that one.
Very strange, but
I think I ordered it at the same time as this.
I think you did, didn't you? Yeah.
But
yeah, I mean, Cayman he'll get this in his collection later. So I don't know where I'm going to put mine for now, so I probably won't show you. But Cayman will show you getting him in his collection up there, his Mando collection. But yeah, I mean, there we go. Really pleased with that. Hopefully everybody else that's pre-ordered them or after them's been able to get their hands on one as well, because obviously it is quite sought after. But yeah, happy days. Let's get him unboxed, get him in the studio and give you a 360 view. Let's go. And there he is, the package, the child. And scan this one, and obviously, like we said earlier, it's really rare at the minute. It's hard to get hold of, so it trends at 23, but it looks excellent, don't it?
Love the sideways box. A lot of people complaining about it, saying it doesn't really fit with their collections, but I'll be keeping it in as I think it looks great.
Looks excellent. But anyway, we'll leave you with this theme tune because goosebumps.
Speaks for itself. So, here's the child. Somehow I'm going to fit it up here. It's a bit congested. I think I'm going to have to take a couple down. So I've got the single pop versions of these, even though I have the 2-pack. So I think I'm just going to box them back up and store them for now. But yeah, I can't wait to add the rest of them to the collection. So I'm going to have to just move the blurg, I reckon. Put the child up there while I'm struggling here. And then put the blurg on top. These protectors are pretty sturdy, they're all things vinyl ones, so that should be fine for now. Can't wait to add the rest of them. Got about 3 on the way. Got the Target exclusive Mandalorian, the Cara Dune FYE, and the Trandoshan Thug from Walgreens. They're all on the way, still waiting on them to be dispatched, but can't wait to add them to the collection.
so cool. I'm so pleased with that. How good did that look? Like we said earlier, hopefully you've been able to get your hands on one. Hopefully you're pleased. If not, hopefully you've watched this and you're looking at him and you're jealous. I'm joking. Obviously, hopefully everybody's been able to get them, but it looks so cool. Really pleased, and it looks even better in Cayman's collection up there as well. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you've got anything to say, if you want to talk to us about them, if you've got one, drop it down in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And make sure you subscribe, because there is so much on its way. So much.
Waiting on a lot of things.
Lots of things, lots of pre-orders, but there's so much coming. So subscribe, and we shall see you in the next one, guys.
See you in the next one.
Cheers.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
Thanks for watching, viewers. If you enjoyed that, click here to subscribe.
If you want to watch some more brilliant videos, click there.
It's 11. It's heaven for Jamie Vardy. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.